we have to engage it with another. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, pag-isipan ninyo yan, we'll meet again, and we can start with the process. And I will guarantee you. At the end of the year, dalian lang natin, wala pa eh. December, we have time to discuss. I will propose it. We have a hearing and all. Tapos, wag na yung power. Do not extend, but rather restrict and add more teeth sa corruption. Maybe, and as a guarantee, at the end of the year, I will resign. Wala nang seremonya. Basta dive lang ako sa Pasig River, lalangoy-langoy lang ako papuntang. Huwag na ninyong pakialaman. I do not need it. At saka yung plot ko dyan sa libingan,